Hello everyone, we are Team 4. Now we will make a presentation about IoT, means the Internet of Things, which best connected traffic light management system. IoT is a term used to describe the embedding of objects with sensors, chips and network connectivity and has been a subject of much debate in recent years. Devices like streetlights and washing machines, which had previously existed in technology isolation, become part of a wider network of interconnected devices. Their functionality has increased the ability to control such devices remotely and to receive updates regarding their status, integrates their operation more smoothly into a world where huge numbers of people are never far from a computer system, laptop or mobile phone. Now the number is 4.9 billion and there will be over 25 to 15 billion connected devices by 2020. Part of this fast increase can be amounted by the level of interest in the concept of smart cities. These smart cities take advantage of technology to allow for a great degree of control over the local infrastructure, including security, traffic, and event management. However, it is obvious that it represents a significant security risk, growing in parallel with the adoption of embedded technology. Each of these comes with its own security and privacy challenge, both from a data collection standpoint and from a potential vulnerability to malicious cyber attacks. IoT will have an impact on the security and price of the involved stakeholders.
Our aim is to study the expected vulnerabilities of one such system, the wirelessly connected traffic light management system, and to attempt to resolve these issues by looking at the existing system and imposing extra levels of security. The problem. Traffic problems could cause real issues, potentially millions of pounds of loss due to missed work hours, even deadly ones, by causing accidents or blocking ambulances, firefighters, or police cars going to an emergency call. So we need to develop IoT-based traffic light system. Modern traffic systems are designed to make systems more smoother and trouble-free on road. However, in recent times, the wirelessly connected traffic management system has received significant criticism for its security problem. An attacker may target the traffic lights directly. It's possible to make traffic lights stay green more or less time, stay red and not change to green. Sometimes the hack targets sensors embedded in streets that feed data to traffic control system. An attacker might be able to trick control system into thinking that congested roadways are clear or that open roadways are packed with cars, causing traffic signals to respond accordingly. Many studies presented that traffic control systems are vulnerable to cyber attacks. Fortunately, improving security of the components of a traffic light control system and of the internal connection is possible to prevent major incidents.
Right. Solution to this problem is the next thing that we're going to discuss. Different studies have been conducted on solutions for connected traffic light management system. Some of them are discussed in the related work in our project proposal. In our project proposal, we have explored one of these solutions as the foundation of a recommended solution and proposed some additional steps to make sure that the solution is more secure from any cyber attack. Here is an example of a foundation traffic light system which is typically installed on traffic intersections. This is the system which was also studied by University of Michigan researchers who have published a paper called Green Lights Forever, Analyzing the Security of Traffic Infrastructure. Outlines of the technology behind the traffic light system using it outlines the technology behind the traffic light system used in many smart cities. So this is a good foundation for studying future systems. You can see different components how they work in this particular picture. This solution will make the driving experience a lot more less stressful, experience in urban areas. It will help save lives, time and money. The light system at intersection will be directly linked to each of the surrounding intersections, constantly sending updates regarding its current status. There will be several screens showing different traffic signals, once in Glasgow, and the traffic status. The system will spot and record the position of the lights that are not functioning properly, and it will also record any incidents happening there. Incidences like traffic light violation, overspeeding, which can lead to many dangers for other drivers as well as pedestrians, and so on. These incidences can be showed through some sort of alert or a red dot on an electronic map, which could be seen by the operators in control room, and who will use this information and pass it on to the relevant authorities or like police to take appropriate action. So such example could be seen or displayed through this particular map picture, which shows an area around Glasgow University, and shows if you have an incident like this happening, it can be seen in real time from the control room. This solution can be implemented in a very organized way. It should be implemented in a very organized way. First of all, we need to make sure that there is real legislation in place, and because we are talking about security of data, large amount of data has been generated since huge number of devices are connected to the internet. This huge data has to be managed and converted to useful information, and in order to develop efficient system, we have to have all the secure measures in place. A combination of technological measures should be used to implement a safe and secure IoT-based traffic light system. Some of these measures include wireless security, firewall, firmware updates, and changing default credentials, and hardware failsafes. The real problem, however, is not any individual vulnerability, but a lack of security consciousness in the field. That means people, especially the vendors who are implementing, they are not securing the system enough. Internet of Things-based system is still in its infancy, it's still in its initial stage. A lot of work is still needed to be done to make sure information is totally safe and secure. A lot of work has been done by different researchers and still being done, and more needed to be done. And so we have included some of this work in our presentation as well as in our proposal. I would now like to summarize our presentation. IoT is the next big thing in technology. We are proposing to tackle traffic-related problems by using an IoT-enabled traffic light system that is safe to use while being connected online. The solution of an IoT-based traffic light system that has been studied to identify its weaknesses and made recommendation and fix those mistakes which are made by earlier implementation to make this system more secure. In order to get this solution implemented, we have to make sure that we have ticked all the boxes, including human factor and cyber security measures. It is expected to impact most of the lives of citizens in a very pleasant way, so we have to make sure it is done in the right way, and we hope that we have concluded everything here for your understanding. Thank you very much.